Hello and welcome to this review of the Currencies Heat Map. To access this page, go to the Analytics menu and select Currency Heat Map. You might ask, what is a Currencies Heat Map? A Currencies Heat Map is a graphical representation of the strengths of major currencies relative to each other. So here, as you can see, we have the major currencies and the Chinese yuan. The tool includes the yuan because China is a major economic power, so a currency trader needs to know what their currency is doing. Here you can see that we have 5 different colors for each of the currencies. These colors indicate how each currency is currently fluctuating. The saturated red color indicates that the currency pair is lower than the fixed previous minimum. The saturated green color indicates that the currency pair is higher than the previous fixed minimum. The pale red shade indicates the closing of a previous transaction, but above the minimum for a certain period. That certain period of time can be any period, such as an hour or 5 minutes. Moving along, we have a pale green color, which indicates the pair is higher than the closing of the previous trade, but below the fixed maximum for a certain period. Lastly, we have the gray color, which indicates the fixed horizontal movement of the trend for any current pair. Heat map analysis shows how the currencies change over a certain period of time. The heat map uses 4 different time frames. It can use other time frames in addition to these 4, but it mostly uses these 4. So here we have a 30-minute, a 1-hour, and a 1-day time frame. In addition to the graphical representation, each currency pair has a numerical indicator that shows the changes in the colors. The good thing about the heat map is you can use it for Forex, binary options, and other contracts for differences, or CFDs. I hope you will find this tool useful.